Saizun, and you're watching Saizun Makaya Marika or Makaya channel of beauty. I'm gonna do a welcome video, and my first ever video was my makeup collection, and this is my first video. I'm gonna do a welcome video on my channel. That's my sister. Sorry for the bad quality and the thing. So welcome to my channel. I have no subscribers right now because I just did my channel today, and yeah, that's why there's no subscribers. So you can't get subscribers so fast, you know. Just made a channel and just got like 2 million subscribers. It's not real. So please subscribe to my channel. Yeah.